Here they come, here they come, here they come. Here they come, here they come. Here they come, here they come. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We're still downtown. I did something backwards, right? I just had dessert and now I'm gonna go, actually dessert was a couple hours ago. But now I'm about to eat some dinner. Right now, I'm going to Madre and Son, y'all. Soul food spot. Look who I got, y'all. Look, I got entrepreneur tycoon.
Senior citizen.
Mr. Melvin Sykes. He says senior citizen. Oh, is that? Oh, they have a bakery too?
That's what I was trying to tell.
Look, they got a bakery too, y'all. Ashley's Delicious Treats right next door here. But we right here. We gonna go check out Madre's and Son right here. Let's walk in and check it out, man. Let's go in here. Place looks packed so far. It looks really crowded in here, yo.
Look at that.
Get started again. Uh-oh. Hey, what's going on? You the owner?
Yes, I am.
Word is born.
Yes, I'm Ashley.
Hey! Yo, this is Ashley, the owner. Tell us about what's going on here. Can you step up?
She gonna tell you. That's my rep.
You got a rep over here. Hold up. Tell us what's going on here.
Hi, welcome to Ashley's Delicious Treats. We're here with cupcakes, cookies, cake pans, strawberry shortcake, banana pudding, and we also got the custom cake. Come check us out.
What's going on with the restaurant?
We got brunch today, brunch Sunday, no, brunch Saturday, excuse me. Brunch all day from 1 to 7, so go check them out as well.
What's on the menu for brunch?
We got waffles, French toast, grilled shrimps, oxtails, everything you can think of for brunch. Oh, and mimosas.
That's my mother, buddy. Yeah.
That's your mom and your husband. Yo, this is the event space here too, man. Look at this, man. Y'all, where y'all from? They from where?
Newark.
They from Newark, y'all. Wow. Uh-oh.
Hey, guys.
Here's mom. Oh, these are the owners here.
Yeah, the owners
What's the
of
name?
KPR The Venue,
Oh,
right
here.
here.
KPR The Venue, y'all, here on Commerce Street
Yep.
in my town,
Commerce.
Newark, New Jersey. Awesome. Nice to meet you. What's your names?
I'm Anthony.
Uh-huh.
Carrie.
Where's your wife, Anthony?
It's Gary.
Thank you very much. Yo, we about to get down on these shrimp and grits. What's going on, family? It's your man. Let me fix my hat. This is your man, Matt DV. We are on Commerce Street in Newark, New Jersey. We're at a restaurant called Madre and Sons.
Is it Sons or Son?
Madre and Son. Son.
We about to look. I ordered some shrimp and grits, y'all. Check it out. What I got here? I got some tomato ketchup. I need hot sauce. All right. Let's see what we got here. I got 2 things of ketchup that came with it. Let's see what it is. Oh, that look good, y'all. That really looks good. Y'all gotta check this out.
The shrimp and grits, y'all, right there. I want to make sure I don't spill it over. Y'all be laughing at me when I be. That's the shrimp and grits. Shrimp and grits. Yeah, y'all can't see him on camera, but I came here with Melvin Sykes. Y'all saw him earlier. He thought he ordered his before me, but he's still over there waiting for his, y'all. He being patient. He being patient, y'all. Yo, this looks delicious. All right, y'all saw it. The shrimp and grits. How many shrimp I got here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold on, let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 shrimp. And the grits. Y'all know I gotta look. What is that? Look like a little bit of cheese on there, but let me taste them. Hold up. All right, so I don't have to put no salt on them. I do want some hot sauce. All right, I ain't gonna bother for no hot sauce.
Let me see. These look like they're a little spicy. Here we go. Shrimps from Madre and Son. That's pretty good, y'all. You know, I always say I could tell the difference between wild caught shrimp and farm raised. These are wild caught shrimp. They have that snap to them. Good batter on the shrimp. They're definitely not, they're fried to perfection, man. Let me get that little bit, there's always a little bit of meat hiding in there. See how you're using teeth right there? You got to squeeze that meat right out of there, get your money's worth.
Thank you very much. Look, y'all, I got my hot sauce. She just brought it over. You see what it says? Hot sauce. Got the hot sauce. All right, let's check it out, y'all. Open up that hot sauce.
These are cooked to perfection too, delicious. Okay, the shrimp. Come on down, get this shrimp worth it. Let me check out the grits. It's cheese in it. I don't mind cheese in my grits. The grits rather is very creamy. The grits do not taste gritty, and I'm happy about that. See, I'm like biting the grits, and they're really soft and tender. They're not gritty. I know that sounds like a contradiction. The grits aren't gritty, but word is morning, y'all. Look, we got the owner over here. Look, hold up. What's going on, sis? Come on over into the camera.
Hey, how
Come
are
on.
you?
Tell us about your restaurant.
Well, we are a small. Oh, sorry. Okay. Well, this is Madre and Son. We're a small but classic mother and son restaurant specializing in soul food. We're here at 37 Commerce Street. Come on by. The only days that we are closed is Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Every other day, we are open.
One question.
Yes.
Tell me one struggle about being an entrepreneur owning your own business. One struggle here in Newark.
Being consistent. You have to be focused and consistent about the food that you put out here. It has to taste the same every day. The struggle is getting up and getting out. Knowing that you're an entrepreneur, sometimes you get lazy and lax. You cannot. You have to get up and be consistent daily.
Last question. What's the benefit?
The benefit of it is this. Seeing customers that we make happy.
Yes.
That's the benefit.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Yo, we
Thank
are
you.
very happy here, y'all. Matter of fact, we're not leaving. Let me clip this back on here real quick, y'all. We are very happy here. Let me turn this back around. Yo, we're very happy with the food here. The shrimp and grits is delicious. What can I tell y'all? It's on Commerce Street. I'm not gonna call this the cut because it's down here near the business. I'm gonna call it the business district. We're near the Gateway. Gateway Plaza, whatever it's called. I heard they got a nice restaurant in there. I wanna lift these shrimp up with my fingers, man. But the grits are on them. Look at that, y'all. I'm gonna show you the full size of these shrimp. Look, I know what somebody's gonna say, right? Look at the size of that. Somebody's gonna say, look, what y'all gonna say is that, oh, it's got a lot of, what they call it, batter on it. It is battered, but let me show you how much shrimp is in here. It's not that much batter. Look where the shrimp is at. The shrimp is right there. See that? It's not that much batter. Okay, I bit the batter off. Look how much shrimp you get there. That shrimp is fat too, y'all. Let me swing it around. See how fat that is? Word is born, you wanna get this shrimp. The shrimp and grits are delicious. It was really busy today. The restaurant is actually on the other side of this wall. So we did wait maybe about 20, 25 minutes, but it was well worth the wait for the shrimp and grits. It came up to like 19 bucks. Somebody told me I need to stop smacking this much when I do these videos. Then I saw somebody in the comments that they said they love when I be eating and smacking. So which one shouldn't I do? Does the smacking get on your nerves? I mean, I'm not trying to smack. It's just the way I eat. That's it, y'all. I'm glad I came down here. I want to thank the subscriber for suggesting to come here to Madre and Son. Their name is right there. This is Matt DV. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take this moment to subscribe, like, and ring that little bell to be informed, stay informed. Also, check us out on patreon.com/Matt DV Williams. It's Matt DV from Commerce Street in Newark at Madre and Son. Peace.